Welcome back to US Stock Express. Let's dive right into the market action for today, November 26th, 2025. So, what's the story on Wall Street today? On one hand, we've got a great American spending chill, freezing some stocks solid, but on the other, the AI frenzy is launching names like AMD, Broadcom, and Dell to spectacular new heights. With giants like Workday and Deere taking a nasty tumble, is this the start of a major market-wide pullback? And who is the one indispensable company, ASML, acting as the unsung hero behind the entire AI revolution? Let's get into it. First, let's look at the big picture. Wall Street hit the gas pedal today. The S&P 500 cruised to a solid 0.79% gain, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 accelerated even faster, climbing 1.04%. In a bullish sign, the small-cap Russell 2000 jumped a respectable 0.97%. And proving the old-timer still has some moves, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rounded out the rally with a 0.75% advance. It was a clean sweep of green across the board. But beneath that surface-level green, the final beige book of the year reveals a more cautious reality. The report paints a picture of a nation where both consumers and businesses are pulling back, with weakening demand and rising price sensitivity. The message is clear: economic momentum is cooling off as we head into 2026. And that great American spending chill we mentioned is turning into a deep freeze for the housing market. New data shows a dramatic cool down, with home sales plummeting. It seems the combination of high prices and growing economic uncertainty is keeping buyers firmly on the sidelines. Now let's shift gears to the stocks that are defying that chill, starting with the engine of the entire AI revolution. ASML is making huge waves, with its stock surging over 4%. Investors are finally recognizing that the massive boom in data center and AI chip spending is literally impossible without ASML's unique extreme ultraviolet lithography machines. They are, without exaggeration, the company that holds the keys to the kingdom for making the world's most advanced semiconductors. Staying in the AI arena, AMD is also rocketing higher with a nearly 4% jump of its own. After a recent sector-wide slide created a potential buying opportunity, investors are piling back in, betting big on AMD's growing role in the AI hardware arms race. The company is rapidly closing the software gap with its rival NVIDIA, and its bold growth projections for its data center business have Wall Street feeling very optimistic. And the AI party doesn't stop there. Broadcom, ticker AVGO, just hit a record high, climbing 3.3%. The AI infrastructure boom continues to fuel its rise, with its unique strategy of building custom chips for tech giants like Google. This positions Broadcom not just as a player, but as a crucial and perhaps more stable backbone of the entire AI ecosystem. But not every stock is enjoying the AI tailwind. Workday, ticker WDAY, is making headlines for a very different reason. The HR software giant was the worst performer in the entire S&P 500, falling nearly 8%. Its quarterly report left investors feeling as disappointed as a Thanksgiving table without any pie, all thanks to a lukewarm subscription revenue forecast that failed to impress Wall Street. Now let's talk about a stock that's up but might be sending a warning signal. Teradyne, ticker Terry, rose an impressive 7.5%. However, a new analysis suggests investors might want to pump the brakes. This rally has pushed Teradyne's valuation into expensive territory according to key metrics, making it a less attractive value pick than some of its sector peers. Shifting to the crypto space, Coinbase, or Coin, is back in the news with an aggressive acquisition strategy. The crypto giant is set to buy Vector.fun, a platform built on the Solana blockchain. This marks its 9th acquisition this year alone. It's a direct play to expand access to on-chain trading and solidify its position as the industry's everything exchange, directly fueling its growth engine. Meanwhile, over in the heartland, Deere & Company's stock took a 5% tumble. The agricultural giant delivered a weak forecast, warning of difficult market conditions. So while the broader market was feasting on rate cut optimism, investors in Deere were left harvesting their losses. But let's end on a high note, back with the AI theme. Dell is proving that a slight revenue miss is no match for blockbuster AI demand. The stock surged nearly 6% as investors cheered a massive boost to its full-year forecast. The driver? Record AI server orders that have the company buzzing with activity. That wraps up today's market update. Thank you for watching, stay informed, and we'll see you next time.